Welcome back to Science Unpacked, the podcast where we delve into the mysteries of the universe and explore the wonders of science. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the realm of quantum physics, a field that often sounds more like science fiction than reality. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Joining us are Dr. Emily Carter, a quantum physicist, and Alex Nguyen, a science communicator with a knack for explaining complex topics. Welcome, Emily and Alex.
Thanks for having me.
Excited to be here.
Emily, let's start with you. Can you give us a quick overview of what quantum physics is all about?
Sure. Quantum physics is the study of the very small, the world of atoms and subatomic particles. It's a realm where the rules of classical physics, the ones we experience in our everyday lives, no longer apply. Things can be in two places at once. Particles can behave like waves, and cats can be both dead and alive at the same time. Well, sort of.
That's right. It's a world where things can be both one thing and another, where uncertainty reigns supreme. It's mind-bending, but it's also incredibly fascinating.
Alex, from a science communication perspective, what's the biggest challenge in explaining quantum physics to a general audience?
I think the biggest challenge is that it's so counterintuitive. Our brains are wired to understand the world in a classical way. So when we hear about things like superposition and entanglement, it can be hard to wrap our heads around it. But that's also what makes it so exciting. It's like peeking behind the curtain of reality and seeing how the universe really works.
Emily, what are some of the most important implications of quantum physics for our understanding of the universe?
Quantum physics has revolutionized our understanding of matter, energy, and the nature of reality itself. It's the foundation of many modern technologies, like lasers and transistors. And it's helping us answer some of the biggest questions in science, like how the universe began and what it's made of.
Alex, how do you see quantum physics impacting our lives in the future?
I think we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. Quantum computing, quantum cryptography, quantum teleportation, these are all technologies that could revolutionize our world in ways we can't even imagine.
Emily, what advice would you give to young people who are interested in pursuing a career in quantum physics?
Be curious, ask questions, and don't be afraid to challenge the status quo. Quantum physics is a field that's constantly evolving, and there's still so much we don't know.
Alex, any final thoughts?
Quantum physics is a journey into the unknown. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises and that there's always more to discover.
Thank you both for joining us today. It's been an enlightening conversation.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
That's all for this episode of Science Unpacked. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends. And if you have any questions about quantum physics, leave them in the comments below. Join us next time for another exploration of the wonders of science.